ever wonder what risk management is and why it is so important for outdoor events? Hosting an outdoor event is exciting. The open air, the big crowds, and the vibrant energy. But unlike indoor venues, the great outdoors come with highly unpredictable variables. That is exactly where risk management becomes your most critical tool. Today, we are going to learn how to identify hazards and ensure the absolute safety of everyone involved. Let's look at the real-world incident that occurred on this specific date and venue. What started as a perfectly successful event quickly turned into chaos when unforeseen severe weather conditions hit the site. On May 3, 2026, the bus stage at the Bubble Island Music Festival in Tianjin behind new area severely tilted and partially collapsed during a sudden extreme gust of wind. The festival was held at the Dongjiang Coastal Music Square. So, how could this incident happen? It almost always comes down to three primary failure points. First, failure to monitor real-time weather change. Second, substandard structural integrity. Third, lack of an evacuation plan. Let's give you more explanation about SOP during event. To prevent disaster, rigid SOP must be actively enforced throughout the event. First, crowd control. Actively manage capacity so that entry and exit points never become congested. Second, continuous monitoring. Dedicate a team to check structural stability and live weather radar feeds every single hour. Third, communication channels. Maintain a clear chain of command via walkie-talkies so crew can act instantly. Fourth is medical standby. Ensure emergency vehicle lanes remain completely unobstructed at all times. To systematically eliminate this hazard, event organizers must implement a formalized risk mitigation strategy. This process follows a continuous four-step cycle, with each stage contributing to ongoing improvement, effectiveness, and overall system performance. Step 1 is risk identification. Before any equipment arrives on site, you must brainstorm and list every potential hazard. From severe weather patterns and flash floods to structural collapse, power failures, and medical emergencies. Step 2 is risk assessment. Here, we look at the probability of each risk occurring and the severity of its potential impact. We plot this on the standard risk matrix to see which hazard poses the highest risk. Step 3 is risk evaluation. We compare our assessment findings against our safety threshold to determine if the risk is tolerable or if it requires immediate mandatory mitigation steps. Finally, step 4 is risk management and treatment. This is where we implement active mitigation. We develop contingency plans, secure structural engineering certifications, hire certified contractors, hire dedicated security teams, and establish clear emergency protocols to lower the risk to an acceptable safety level. Let's look at 3 successful past events that got it right. What made them a success? First is international marathon events. One of the key success factors of an international marathon is effective route planning and crowd management. Organizers ensure that the running route is safe, clear marked, and supported by sufficient hydration stations and medical assistance. Strong collaboration with local authorities, volunteers, and emergency services also helps create a safe and enjoyable experience for participants from around the world. Second is Mega Food Festival. The success of a Mega Food Festival depends on proper vendor management, food quality, and visitor experience. Organizers carefully select vendors to offer a wide variety of food choices while maintaining high standard of hygiene and safety. In addition, effective crowd flow, cleanliness, and engaging activities helped create a memorable experience for attendees. Third is outdoor music festival. An outdoor music festival becomes successful through strong event planning, an attractive lineup of performers, and efficient venue management. Organizers focus on providing quality entertainment, comfortable facilities, and effective crowd control measures. Good transportation arrangements, security services, and contingency plan for weather conditions also contribute significantly to the overall success of the event. Conclusion. Risk management is a fundamental component of outdoor event planning as it helps ensure the safety, security, and well-being of all participants. By identifying potential risks, implementing preventive measures, and preparing effective emergency response plans, event organizers can minimize disruptions and enhance the overall event experience. Effective risk management not only protects attendees but also contributes to the successful and smooth execution of outdoor events.